Dan at Cardboard Hobby. We are cracking 2022 Gold Rush Autograph Authentic Full-Size Helmet Series 2, 1 box. eBay break. May 1st, 2023. I'm going to read off eBay usernames with team names. We got autographs _King with the Falcons and Panthers, GILMELE-34 with the Redskins, Jonathan Tharp-0 with the Rams, Ravens, and Vikings. August 2x2 with the Lions and Buccaneers, GILMELE-34, also with the Bengals, Saints, Raiders, Patriots, Seahawks, and Titans. Isaiah 1103 with the Eagles, Dolphin Fan with the 49ers, Aaron FAB with the Jets, John Dahman Jr. with the Steelers, DCRSOLO with the Giants, AntFran-7773 with the Cardinals, JOS_SKOGE with the Dolphins, Gunner1332 with the Bears and Texans, Spinners and Sports with the Chiefs, Chargers, Packers, and Jaguars. Dolphin Fan also with the Colts, Giovanni1969 with the Bills, Dolphin Fan also with the Broncos, HOBDE-Steph with the Browns, GAB-2098 with the Cowboys, and that is your full lineup. Okay, we've got our box right here, 2022 Gold Rush Autograph Authentic Full-Size Helmet Series 2. The Autograph Authentic Full-Size Helmets, they are amazing. Let's get our box open. All right. Here we go. Your Autograph Authentic Full-Size Helmet coming at your front and center. Good luck, everybody. We've got ooh, 49ers. 49ers. Ooh, that's nice. Wow. Love these authentic helmets. The weight to them and everything. Being fully authentic. How about George Kittle? That is absolutely gorgeous. George Kittle. Beckett COA. George Kittle autograph authentic full-size helmet 49ers. That is beautiful. Wow, is that beautiful. Your 49ers owned by Dolphin Fan. Congrats. That is a absolutely gorgeous George Kittle. Wow. How nice is that? That is so sharp looking. Wow, that is beautiful. Once again, congrats to the 49ers, owned by Dolphin Fan. Beautiful George Kittle. Autograph, authentic, full-size helmet. Wow. Absolutely beautiful. Congrats again to the 49ers. I want to thank everybody so much for breaking, guys. Really, really do appreciate it. Cardboardhobby.com, Dugan1640 on eBay. I'll be sticking around in case anybody has any questions. Once again, we got a beautiful lineup scheduled tomorrow night and all week long. Please don't miss out on those. Thank you so much again. Please be smart, be safe out there.